If you want to change the links to adjust the length, either to take out or to add, you need these simple tools like these things. Otherwise, it is very difficult to open. I promise you, go and buy in Amazon for under $10. The watch repair kit is going to save you a lot of money in the future for all your watch repair needs. So let's remove a link. It's very easy. For every watch, there is an arrow on the link which tells from which side you need to take out the pin. If the arrow is pointing that side, then you need to place this thing from this side and push it in. So when you want to push this pin in this direction, then you need a room for this pin to go in. So if you keep the watch like this and hit it from top, then there is no room down there for the pin to come out. That's why we use this one where it has holes in it. So make sure this arrow is down here, then align that hole to this hole on this thing. Then you take this device, then try to place it on it. Then use this hammer to gently tap on top. See, it went in. Because there's a hole down there, the pin fell down. There you go, I got the link out. And the pin is here. So this is the pin that is holding the links. To put it back, you just align the links and take this pin and push it in. There you go, your watch link is ready now. My family is dancing here. My wife said to kiss the rocks. Wow, look at that. This would have been a beach environment. This is definitely a wow place. Everybody's saying wow. This is the first of the kind in our lifetime.